So empirical formulas, what they represent really is a much larger molecular formula, but they're really scaled down. In fact, empirical formulas represent the lowest ratio of elements to one another. So how do we go about figuring out empirical formulas? Well, I've lined out 3 important steps that you're going to have to follow, and you'll get faster and faster with this. Whenever you're reading an empirical formula problem, they're either going to present the data in percentages, or they're going to just go ahead and give you grams, right? Or maybe kilograms or something like that. In the end, at least for this first section of problem solving, you want to get everything to grams right here. So if they give you grams, great, you can just get going. But if they give you anything else, you got to convert to grams. Now let's focus on percent. Remember that percentages just mean a certain quantity out of 100